Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Time Warp Scan app. This popular app creates unique visual effects by freezing parts of your image as a blue line moves across the screen. To begin, simply open the app and choose whether you want to record a photo or a video. Then, position your camera and press the record button to start the scanning process. It's a fun and easy way to transform your everyday moments into something extraordinary. Now, let's get creative with your scans. For a stretching effect, move your head or an object horizontally as the blue line passes. To achieve a melting or wavy look, try moving vertically. Remember, the direction and speed of your movement relative to the scan line are key. You can create incredible, surreal images and videos with just a little practice and imagination. Don't be afraid to experiment with different motions. Ready for some advanced tips? Try using props like a comb or a mirror to create even more dramatic distortions. You can often choose whether the scan line moves from left to right or top to bottom, giving you more control over the final look. Precise timing of your movements is crucial for achieving specific illusions, like making it appear as if your body is splitting. A steady background helps your warped subject stand out. Once you've created your amazing time warp scans, you'll want to share them. After recording, the app typically provides options to save your video directly to your device's gallery. From there, you can easily share your masterpieces to popular social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat. Review your saved creations anytime within the app's gallery. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and connect with others who enjoy unique visual content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.